Hello and welcome. I'm Sylvia from Kitchen Creations, and on today's episode I am making the best cream cheese frosting. It's tangy, creamy, and smooth. Here are my ingredients: butter, cream cheese, powdered sugar, and vanilla. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Now to make the cream cheese frosting, add your cream cheese to a mixing bowl with your butter. Now we're going to mix this until it's well combined and smooth. As you can see, guys, this looks perfect. So I'm just going to scrape the side of the bowl before we add our powdered sugar to this. So this is exactly what we're looking for. It's well combined. Now take your sugar, and we are going to add about half of this powdered sugar. Go in and scrape the side. So after combining the powdered sugar, this is how it's looking. Now we're going to go in and add our vanilla. Go ahead and give this a good mix until well combined before adding the rest of the powdered sugar. This looks and smells delicious, guys. This is gonna work really well with some cupcakes or cake. What we're gonna do now is add the remainder of our powdered sugar. Go in and give it a good mix. And guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. After getting your frosting all ready, grab your piping bag and get it ready for the frosting. And we're just going to place it in the glass to fill it up. And if you don't have a piping bag, that is absolutely okay. You can just go ahead and just use a spatula and decorate your cake, whatever that you guys are making. So take your frosting and place it right in this glass. Just like that, and kind of bring this up. And we're just gonna push this down a little. So just like so. Hi guys, so my cream cheese frosting is ready. As you can see, I've been playing with it. So let me show you how easy it is to use this piping bag. So place your favorite tip on it and then just go to town and create whatever design you like. It is so easy to use. Look at this. And so fun. Voila. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.